Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how can we apply number validation, how can we use shortcut key to apply number validation, what is the error message, what is how to clear the validation from your data, and what is the input message. So stay tuned and watch till the end. How can you use shortcut key to apply number validation? So I will select all those cells and then press Alt A V. A window will pop up from the setting from choose the whole number. Again, data is between because I'm gonna use range. What's the minimum value it should look for? The minimum number should be this one. Press F4, enter, and the maximum number is should this one. Press F4 and press enter. Again enter. Now the number validation has been applied. Let's test it out. If I try to type 10, which is outside the range, it won't let me type it. So but if I type 17, which is within the range, it will let me type. So let's talk about the error message and the display message. So what I want if anyone click within this column, that person should see some custom message. So I will select all those cells and then go to data validation. The second one is input message. What input message should be appearing? So I will say type number. Press OK. Now, anyone who click within this column, that person will see this type number message. So it means he has to type the number. It's a guidance note for that person. Second one is error message. If I want if anyone type the number outside this range, so firstly the system will stop, and secondly I want that person should see some message as well. So I'll go to data validation. And then third one is error alert. So I want to stop. I can choose the warning and the information as well. So I want to stop that user. And the error message should be type valid number. Press OK. Now, if I try to type anything beyond or after this range, so it will stop me and display me the message type valid number. So retry. If I type within the range, so it will let me type the number. So last thing is how can I clear the data validation from your data? So I will select all those cells that has data validation and then go to Home tab. And from Home tab, there is a clear button here. So clear all if you want to clear everything from this range, from this cell, from this column, it will clear all and all the validation has been removed. So you can type anything which you want in this data in this column. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.